is winner. Pink is loser. We need paper clips, cotton, a glue, scale, a pointer, marker colors, cute marker colors, tape, a thread, a pencil, scissors, computer sheet, a cardboard. So let's start to make this cute game.
I know it's a game, I'm not gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me and so
11 length asterisk 15 centimeters width.
maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me.
Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. Eighteen centimeters asterisk 18 centimeters. 4. 7 centimeters asterisk 7 cm. Thanks for watching.